876 Streets.
Alright, my name is Denniston Graham. I participated in the Super Street class, Super Street Turbo class. This is my Daihatsu Mira. It's a 3-cylinder, 1-liter turbocharged car. Today we got 3 first places. We encountered some difficulties before the race when my turbocharger went bad, and I had to get a smaller one. But it turns out that the car ran better with the smaller turbo. So the other issue we encountered was the clutch slipping. So I had to try to turn on the booster like 11 pounds and try to hold off the 2-liter turbocharged cars and the SR20s, 200 horsepower. So it was a really fun day with my teammate Stephen Madans. We are from Apex Racing, and we went out there to get a clean sweep, and we enjoyed ourselves. Jamway Speedway, May 26. Be there.